Financial stable is something everyone would like to have, and Well Credit Union West works with its members to help them reach their goals and enhance their quality of life. And joining me today is Maria Brunner and Ryan O'Connor, letting us know how they are helping their members, again, have financial comfort, I think, in a mental way, which is so important here. But let's talk about what Credit Union West is and about you a little bit.
Sure, yeah. So the past couple of years have been really taxing on consumers all over Arizona. It's been a real challenge for folks to save, invest for the future, maintain some typical spending habits. But Credit Union West, we're a local financial institution, and we work closely and personally with our members to do just that, achieve our mission, which is what you said earlier. So.
Right there. And the mission right now is, again, to give people comfort in their finances, because we just got done tax season. We're reading about inflation. We're seeing the price of food go up. We're seeing school supplies, all this stuff going on. And so it kind of like worries a lot of people. And if they don't have someone to talk with, it can really take a toll on them and their family. So that's where you guys come into, kind of like work with them, don't you?
Exactly. Yeah. Well, Credit Union West, we're a not-for-profit financial cooperative owned and operated by our members. So our structure really sets us apart. But that enables us to work personally with them, get to know them, and work through any of the financial goals or plans they have in their life. So.
Yeah. I'm going to come back to you, Ryan, in a minute, because we're going to talk about a couple of things people can do easily at home. But Maria, I want to bring in and talk about the community, because you guys are really a big part of the community there in the East Valley, and know how important, again, those members are, right?
In the West Valley.
West Valley,
very,
sorry,
very
West
proud
Valley.
of being.
Sorry.
But you know, we are throughout the state. Well, we're very honored and proud to work for a non-profit organization, which is what we do is once we pay the bills, our profits are paid. We give actually profits back to the members in our communities. And we're very proud to be out there, not only writing a check, because we do sponsor a lot of different organizations, but we also have our volunteer time for all of the employees. Yeah. So that's something that we love to do. We participate with homes, packages from homes. Also for a lot of nonprofit organizations. We've done the phone-a-thon with Phoenix Children's Hospital, just different organizations, St. Mary's Food Bank. Yeah. So that's how we contribute. We also offer financial education, which is basic banking. You were talking about the economy and having the sense of stability for our members and our employees, you know, the team, the community as a whole. We also offer classes when it comes to budgeting strategies, how to review your credit. Credit's very important in order to get good interest rates, but above all, it's for everything, everyday life, including some of our employment opportunities. Yeah. So that's what we like to do, whether it's mortgage, first-time home buyers, investing for your future, for your any goal that you may want to achieve.
Yeah, and I think that's something that people are starting to look for in their banking, is having a community that takes care of them. And especially when they are kind of like control of it, which is so great. So Ryan, let's talk about ways that people can pretty much start to look savings in a quick little way, and also how the credit union helps them.
Yeah, so we have 13 branches across Maricopa and Yavapai County. So we like to advise you to come on in and meet our branch staff, and that's a good way to engage with them and kind of set those goals and have us work through that. But we also have a lot of material online. We have our convenience services through mobile and online banking. So our website, cus.org, is really a hub to get to know how we can help, where you can access our help, and we're happy to do that.
Yeah.
So.
And then, of course, Maria, as you said, on the website, there's some great things that you can see what you're doing in the community. Yes. And getting involved if you're a member, right?
Yes. Just go to our website under About and Giving Back, and you'll find all of the different organizations that we support.
So it's very important. I love that you guys also have online, but also in person, because that's what some people really want to get back to, especially when they're banking, is to have that smiling face there with them as they're talking their finances, doing things. But then there's those who work online too, right?
Absolutely, yes. When you walk into one of our branches, you have all of the experts there, and they're not only going to open your bank account, but they're really going to take the time to learn about you and your financial goals. Yeah. So we're very proud of that we have an excellent team at every single branch.
Yeah, and Ryan, I believe you said if you have a question about what's happening in our world, our economy or anything, stop in, talk with us, because you guys have your finger on the pulse of what's going on compared to what people are Googling or reading and stuff, right?
Exactly, and Credit Union West, we're really a localized institution. So we're founded on Luke Air Force Base back in 1951. So we're from the West Valley. We're from the Valley here. We're committed to the Valley. So our localized efforts really make a difference to consumers here. So.
That's great. So, all right, where can people find more information about O'Brien Credit Union West?
www.cus.org.
There it is, right there. Thank
Thank
you, Chief,
you.
for coming in.